హలో నితిన్ మెహతా గారు,
Hello,
ఎలా ఉన్నారండి?
I'm good. Thank you very much. Thank you.
సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ హార్టీ కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఆన్ ద సక్సెస్ ఆఫ్ అఖండ మూవీ. సో ఎక్కడ చూసినా అఖండ సౌండ్ మామూలుగా లేదు, సూపర్ బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ హిట్ అయింది. యాక్చువల్లీ చెప్పాలి అంటే మాస్ జాతర అని చెప్పి చెప్తూ ఉన్నాం. అసలు మా దగ్గర అయితే బంపర్ హిట్ కొట్టింది అఖండ మూవీ. సో మీకు ఎలా అనిపిస్తుందండి ఈ ఓవర్వెల్మింగ్ రెస్పాన్స్, ఈ లవ్?
Thank you very much. First of all, this movie, it's a so much of love I've got in this movie. After the release, people did not know my name, so they just found out my name. कि कौन है ये आदमी, क्या नाम है इसका? And on social media, I'm flooded with messages that your acting is superb. You've done a wonderful job. That Guruji, Swamiji is terrific. Welcome to the Telugu film industry. People have welcomed me with their open heart and open arms. I'm blessed. Thank you so much. I'm blessed.
ఇదండి. సో తెలుగులో ఇది మీ డెబ్యూ మూవీ కదా నితిన్ గారు?
Yes, this was my first Telugu movie, and under such a big banner with such a big director and Bala sir, legend himself. Nothing more to ask in life.
యెస్, నైస్. సో ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఎలా వచ్చిందో తెలుసుకోవచ్చా మీకు? అఖండ మూవీలో ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ?
Actually, when I got a call from Hyderabad that somebody is looking for me in a role or negative role, so I did not know who it is, how it is. So I was called here, and from here I came to know that my modeling photographs were being floated around, and from that Boyapatti sir saw my look in modeling, and then he wanted me in this character as Gajendra for his movie. Then they got hold of how to find out. They found out from people my contact number, and then finally I was called here for my meeting with the director and the producer. So I think my pictures of modeling, the look which was there in that modeling, it was suiting to the role what he had, and finally everything conspired and made this happen.
ఓకే. లుక్ టెస్ట్ అది చేశారండి మీకు? అది ఫస్ట్ గెటప్ అది వేసి?
Yes, there was one look test of Swamiji. There about he had changed about 5 or 6 dresses for Swamiji with long hair, different kind of hairs, different kind of beard, different kind of different color of complete attire. It took at least one day I was called just to for the movie story, and then again after few days I came here for my complete look test of all this the getup. So it was a hectic job, and I think Boyapatti sir is go to the minutest details of everything. Once he's got something in his mind, once my look was finalized, then for my costume, so much of pain for minutest detail. What should be the rings? What should be the mala? What should be the earrings? What should be the costume? And the look test itself took 2 days because we used to change the getup complete with the wig and all everything. It was my hats off to him who has got so much of patience, so much of passion towards filmmaking that every minute detail he never misses anything.
నో కాంప్రమైజ్.
No, nothing. 100% means 100%. There's no 99.99 also.
నైస్. అండ్ మిమ్మల్ని మీరు ఆ స్వామీజీ గెటప్ లో చూసుకున్న తర్వాత మీకు ఎలా అనిపించింది? ఐ థింక్ ఫస్ట్ టైం అనుకుంటాను కదండి ఈ స్వామీజీ గెటప్.
Swamiji character, yes, I have done it for the first time. Before this, also during modeling days and different advertisements, what I used to do in Bollywood industry, I've never come across this Swamiji look. Moreover, the people wanted me in that high class and elite kind of look. If you see my pictures also, you will get those pictures more. But this was a totally different look. If you see in the movie that young look was totally different, then Swamiji was look different, and then find the climax totally different.
సో అసలు బోయపాటి గారు మిమ్మల్ని అలా చూసారంటే ఎంత క్లాసీ లుక్స్ లో మీరు కనిపించినా మిమ్మల్ని అలా ఊహించుకున్నారు అనమాట బోయపాటి గారు. ఇట్స్ నైస్ యాక్చువల్లీ. అండ్ బోయపాటి శ్రీను గారి గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు? ఆయన డైరెక్షన్ స్టైల్ గురించి?
Oh, Boyapatti sir, तो what would I say? The passion he is got for filmmaking, I think filmmaking runs in his blood, I believe. Eating, sleeping, walking, whatever thing. Once he's on the set, he does not think of anything else. 100% commitment, dedication, hard work, perseverance. What would I say? Words are less to describe him. Uh, and he's got so much of vision then that sometimes you feel that, well, so much of vision he has, he can think about what is the final outcome. We have not even started, but he knows what the final outcome is going to come. Tremendously passionate about his job. I would say I've never seen a person more passionate about his job than him. The it was I was blessed working with him because it was a very great experience. The amount of hard work he puts in, the amount of dedication he has, and he gets into the role in the character what I was when he's explaining me, unmatchable, unmatchable.
అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం కూడా సీన్స్ బోయపాటి గారు చాలా లైవ్లీగా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారంట కదా విత్ యాక్షన్.
Yes, absolutely. He knew that what he wants, and when once he explaining, he gets into that character. So you forget you're seeing that yourself in him. That when he is Swamiji, he's totally converted into how he's doing it, and suddenly he's telling Bala sir about his character, Shrikant sir about his character, any other artist. He transforms himself into that character. Oh, amazing! It was absolutely mind blowing to work with him.
ఓకే. సో మీకు ఏదైనా సీన్ ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేవాళ్ళు మాకు చెప్పగలుగుతారా బోయపాటి గారు? మీకు పర్టికులర్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ సీన్ గురించి మీకు ఎలా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసేవాళ్ళు బోయపాటి గారు?
Uh, See, he used to tell about the scene and act himself. That he used to tell the emotion, what the emotion requires. Because I have difficulty in the language initially, so converting that language into other language is easy. But once you know the emotion also, to convert into that other language and think in it becomes much easier. So once he's explaining it, all the emotions are coming out of him. So it becomes so easy working with him. So I know that what kind of emotion he is looking at. If you tell something that I have to be happy, it becomes difficult. I can be happy smiling also, and I can be happy laughing also. But he gets into that character and tells how happy he wants. So it becomes very easy for an artist like me, okay, what he wants, and he gets into that skin. It gets into his skin, the character skin, and tells that. So it becomes very easy, very easy for an artist. But the tremendous hard work, actually, I would say what my character is there and what I have, 90% was him only. What he has bring out his emotions through me. That's all.
Amazing, amazing. And yes, so coming to our man of the masses, Nandamuri Natasimham Balakrishna Garu. How was it working with Balakrishna Garu? First day experience.
Oh, I'm blessed. I'm blessed to work with him. He's a legend. He's a legend himself. So words are less about him. Everybody in this industry knows about him. So what should I say about him? He's the most humble person I've met. My being first movie in this Telugu industry, I was damn scared first day. And first day itself, I was to face Bala sir. So new place, new language, everything new, setup new, and in front of you, if Bala sir is there, then as it is, you don't know what to do. But I met him before the scene. I was sitting there and he just walked inside the set. He knew everything about me. He knew my name, from where I was coming, I was in army, everything he knew. Just made me so comfortable. He made me sit down with himself. We had tea together. Don't worry, everything will be good. Just relax. Nothing is there. He made me so comfortable. He's so comfortable. I would say, yes. And his energy on the set. Oh, If you feel down, you just watch him and you are again on the high. I don't know from where he gets that energy, and that energy radiates on the set also.
He passes the energy to all.
Yes, because I remember during the climax scene, we were there about 15 days together. It was tremendously hot, sun, and a complete set was all this thing, stones. So it was very, very hot. And he never went inside the vanity. He was outside enjoying the sun, enjoying every part of the making. And we used to feel tired. And then he suddenly used to get up for his own scene. And seeing him do it, we forgot our tiredness, and I tremendous amount of energy, and he radiates so much positivity around that you don't feel any tiredness on the set. You're always there and always want to put in the best, because he's got so much of positive energy around him, and he spreads it, amazing.
నైస్. ఇట్స్ అమేజింగ్ కదా! అంటే ముందే మీ గురించి అన్ని డీటెయిల్స్ తెలుసుకున్నారు బాలకృష్ణ గారు. సో, అంటే షూటింగ్ చేయబోయే ముందు, షాట్‌కి వెళ్ళబోయే ముందే మిమ్మల్ని చాలా కంఫర్టబుల్‌గా, రిలాక్స్‌గా అన్నీ మాట్లాడించి అంతా కూడా సెట్ చేశారు. వావ్!
With him, working is very easy. During the fight scenes also, so we used to shake hands before our first hitting each other. This is our first fight. Come on, let's do it. This is because that was the first time we were fighting together. So this is our first fight. Let's do it. Good. Okay, sir. Come on. Don't worry. Just if you want to hit me, you want to do something, come out fully. There is no problem at all. Just relax. Just do whatever you want. Relax. And if I am hitting you, you want to fall, whatever, be comfortable. There's no pressure when he is there. There's no pressure. I'm not able to do a thing, no worries. We'll do again. Nothing about that. He doesn't get irritated on once the camera starts. His energy, I think, doubles. And that energy has helped me to work with him so much. That his energy is radiated so much that I was able to carry this character. And that character, I think people have liked, and that energy is of Bala sir only, I believe.
వావ్! సో కూల్. సీరియస్లీ మీరు చెప్తూ ఉంటే తెలుస్తుంది అసలు. ఈవెన్ ఫైట్ సీక్వెన్స్ అప్పుడు కూడా మీకు ఫుల్ ఫ్రీడమ్ ఇచ్చేసారు అయితే.
Absolutely. And in the fighting between you, he used to crack jokes. There's again we'll do cut, okay. Then he used to crack jokes just to bring out everything, cool down everything. Yeah. Then again, as it is ready, totally get into the character. Lovely.
ఆ జోక్స్ ఎలా ఉండేయండి?
Anything about whatever comes in mind. And I think we have talked everything under the sun. We have discussed everything under the sun, sitting with him on the set when the camera is on. So, and whatever comes in mind, he'll just give, and he's got so much of knowledge. I don't know matter how. He is a person, I believe he's got so much of experience, knowledge, energy, whatever it is, he's a total bundle of everything.
కమింగ్ టు నాలెడ్జ్ విషయానికి వస్తే ఎలాంటి విషయాలు ఎక్కువగా షేర్ చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు మీతోటి?
All kinds, like mythological knowledge, everything. He knows so much of it. Political as it is, he's about the state problems, everything about the movies. You talk anything, he knows everything, and he is full of knowledge. It's a blessing to have conversation with him. You get so much of inputs from him, like, and he knows about army also. Everything he knows about army. Well, I would not say any field where I couldn't find he's got tremendous amount of knowledge.
వాకింగ్ ఎన్సైక్లోపీడియా.
Yes, absolutely.
అమేజింగ్. అండ్ ఇక అఖండ మూవీలో ఫైట్ సీక్వెన్సెస్ గురించి మాట్లాడుకుంటే అసలు దేనికది హైలైట్ అని చెప్పుకోవాలి ఫైట్ సీక్వెన్సెస్ అన్నీ కూడా. సో కమింగ్ టు ద క్లైమాక్స్ ఫైట్ సీక్వెన్స్, మీతో ఉండే ఆ క్లైమాక్స్ ఫైట్ సీక్వెన్స్ ఇంకా ది నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ అనమాట, టాప్ నాచ్, వేరే లెవెల్. సో ఆ అవుట్పుట్ని అఫ్కోర్స్ మనకి షూట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఒక రకంగా ఉంటుంది, బట్ మీరు ఆ అవుట్పుట్ చూసుకున్నప్పుడు విత్ ద బీజిఎం సౌండ్స్ అండ్ బాలకృష్ణ గారు విత్ ద టెరిఫిక్ లుక్ ఎలా అనిపించింది మీకు?
I think this combination, Boyapati sir, Bala sir, and now the BGM also with Thaman. Oh, it is. I think his music is the icing on the cake. The combination as it is brings out everything in it, and with that BGM, it's gone to a next level now. Thaman has given so much of music. In fact, when the first song came, Bamakhanda, I had put in my phone, and every day while walking for 1 hour, I just keep on playing that song only, because that gives you so much of energy inside you that you don't feel tired. Like it's a like a kind of a ton of something that you get energized. Amazing. There's no words to say. This combination has given such a wonderful movie, such a blockbuster hit, and I am blessed that I am part of this movie, and I could be of substance here in this movie, and just because of these people, I now people know me that I have done a role in this, and total credit I would say to Boyapati sir, Bala sir, Taman, these people only, because if they were not there, I was nothing.
అసలు తమన్ గారు కూడా అసలు మామూలుగా ప్రతి మూవీకి ఆయన చాలా మంచి మ్యూజిక్ ఇస్తారు, ఇంకా అఖండ అయితే ఇంకా వేరే లెవెల్ మ్యూజిక్ ఇచ్చారు. అసలు బీజిఎంకి ఇంకా జనాలు మామూలుగా లేరు. ఇంకా నేను ఒక మీమ్ కూడా చూసాను అనమాట, యాక్చువల్లీ అసలు ఫ్యాన్స్ గుడి కట్టేసేలా ఉన్నారు మీకు అని చెప్పి తమన్ గారికి సంబంధించి ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీ బీజిఎం కావచ్చు, మ్యూజిక్ ఇచ్చారు.
Absolutely different level. Totally, there's nobody expected that this is going to come, and he has brought such a big dhamaka in the industry that hats off.
మీకు ఏ సీన్ కి సంబంధించి దట్ బీజిఎం అది బాగా సూపర్ గా నచ్చింది?
Actually, I would not say one scene, because I've seen the movie 2 times now. I'm not able to find where something is lacking. Every time from first go till the last, in fact, when till the screen goes blank, the casting comes, everything comes, that also keeps on giving you energy. I don't find any place where any particular thing, but I found everywhere it is the same level on the top level. There's no notch below, nothing. Everywhere, you don't feel anywhere that it has gone down, whenever, whatever the situation may be. This is a different kind of level game.
ఒకటి పిచ్ చేయటం కష్టం అంటారు, ఫేవరెట్ అన్నది పిచ్ చేయటం కష్టం, లైక్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ వెరీ గుడ్.
Oh, lovely, amazing.
యా, సో క్రౌడ్ తో చూసారండి ఏమన్నా మూవీ ఇన్ థియేటర్స్? ఎప్పుడైనా క్రౌడ్ తోటి ఏమన్నా చూసారా మీరు, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ లైక్ ఓన్లీ మీరు సపరేట్ గా వాచ్ చేసారా మూవీ?
No, I have seen one. I saw first movie in Delhi. That first day, first show, I was there, so I had gone. So there was a problem in the system and all, and Telugu people are less. So about 70 people were there, and a small hall, 80 seater, and 70 people were there. So not much of halla gulla. So next day I took a flight and came here and saw in this AMB cinemas with the team. So I saw there many people were there, about 50 odd people were there. So total a different level was there. So now tomorrow I am planning to go to a mass theatre and watch it. So yeah, so there I want to see that vibe, that Balakrishna sir's vibe, actual vibe will be seen there. So tomorrow night my plan is there.
సూపర్, యూ విల్ ఎంజాయ్ ఫర్ షూర్.
Yeah, absolutely.
నైస్. అండ్ బాలకృష్ణ గారి ఆ అఖండ లుక్ చూస్తే అది మీకు ఫస్ట్ టైం డైరెక్ట్ గా లైవ్ లో చూసినప్పుడు ఏమనిపించింది?
I think nobody else would have been fit for this role except Bala sir. See, the look was amazing. If you see real time people and him, total matching. And if you see Bala sir, other role and here, absolutely you cannot make out that yes, same. So Boyapati sir has worked very hard on this look part of everyone. So costume, detailing, small detailing, and Bala sir is a legend. So he would carry everything so beautifully, so beautifully.
యాహ్! సో, ఇలా బాలకృష్ణ గారి మూవీలో యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామని కన్ఫర్మ్ అయిన తర్వాత కావచ్చు, మీరు బాలకృష్ణ గారికి సంబంధించిన మూవీస్ అలాంటివి ఏమన్నా అంతకు ముందు చూసారా మీరు?
I saw, yep, I saw Legend and Sima.
ఓకే. ఆఫ్టర్ సైనింగ్ ద మూవీ
When I was being called here, so I came to know that this is there. So I saw those two movies, and when I saw Jagapati Babu sir's role, well, oh, matlab then I saw his other movies, Jagapati Babu's previous movie where he was in positive roles. Matlab, such a wonderful transition from this thing to it. And Bala sir, these two movies, if I have to work with him, it's I am blessed that I have been called for this movie. I have to go all out with my whatever last ounce of blood. Also, I have to work there with this kind of energy. I used to watch South Indian movies because in the channels, dub movies used to come. So I used to love those movies, and the action scenes were very nice. So I have seen Balasar's previous movies also, 2, 3. But I don't remember. It's long way back, where because his actions were famous before also. And I knew I've seen Allu Arjun sir's movie, Shrikant sir's movie, then Mahesh Babu, Jagapati Babu's, and Chiranjeevi sir and Pawan Kalyan. So Chiranjeevi sir, as it is, he's worked in a lot of Hindi movies also. So these movies I've seen, and mostly I think I have before the signing of the movie. I think there must be something in the universe because I was watching Telugu movie and finally I got a Telugu movie to work in.
దట్స్ అమేజింగ్. నైస్. అండ్ బాలకృష్ణ గారు, బోయపాటి గారు, సో వీళ్ళ కాంబినేషన్ ఇది హ్యాట్రిక్ కాంబినేషన్. సో వీళ్ళ కాంబినేషన్ అంటే ఇంకా మామూలుగా ఉండే ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ కన్నా ఆ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ చాలా ఇంకా హైప్లో ఉంటాయి. సో వాళ్ళ కెమిస్ట్రీ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారంటే, ఒక సీన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం కావచ్చు, బాలకృష్ణ గారు అర్థం చేసుకోవడం కావచ్చు, వెంటనే ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ థర్డ్ టైం కాబట్టి వాళ్ళ కెమిస్ట్రీ గురించి మీరేం చెప్తారు?
They know everything about each other. What director wants, he knows, and how he's going to deliver, he knows. So it is so quick with them that you don't even know that scene is finished. Because because whatever Boyapati sir wants, already Bala sir knows. So I think they're hand in glove. They know each other back forth, so that there's no time wasted. Everything is very, very crystal clear between them. How it is to be done, how it will be done, and it is done. So you blink your eyes and you see that it's done. Yeah.
నైస్. అండ్ అలానే కాంబినేషన్ జగపతి బాబు గారితో, శ్రీకాంత్ గారితో కూడా మీరు యాక్ట్ చేశారు కాబట్టి, సో వాళ్ళ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు? హౌ వాజ్ ఇట్ విత్ యాక్టింగ్ విత్ జగపతి బాబు సార్ అండ్ శ్రీకాంత్ సార్?
Shrikant sir, I shared a screen. We had a one-day shoot only because our shoots were at different places. Jagapati sir, Babu sir, I could not shoot with him because our scenes were not together anywhere. So we could not meet each other because of this. But Shrikant sir, I still regret that I could not work more with him in this movie because we had only one day. Very sweet person, very, very sweet person, very humble person. So in fact I wanted to work more with him. Hopefully I'll get more chance to work with him. But very sweet person and very humble person. Just we had one day interaction and we were sitting together outside during the breaks. Very, very positive person, very humble person.
నైస్ అండి. అండ్ మ్యూజిక్ మీ విషయానికి వస్తే లైక్ ఐ వాజ్ అమేజ్డ్ టు నో దట్ మీరు 21 ఇయర్స్ యూ హావ్ వర్క్డ్ ఇన్ ఇండియన్ మిలిటరీ యాజ్ అ లెఫ్టినెంట్ కర్నల్‌గా మీరు వర్క్ చేశారు. యూ హావ్ సర్వ్డ్ ద కంట్రీ ఫర్ 21 ఇయర్స్. దట్స్ అమేజింగ్. యాక్చువల్లీ నో అలాంటి ఒక ప్రొఫైల్ ఉండే పర్సన్ అండ్ దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ మోడలింగ్ అండ్ దెన్ తర్వాత యాక్టింగ్ ఇట్స్ లైక్ అన్నీ ఒక నార్త్ అండ్ సౌత్ పోల్ కంప్లీట్లీ. How did it all happen, Andy?
It just happened itself. Like I never wanted, but I had no intentions of coming into modeling and uh, acting. But it happened. Somebody spotted me at the airport, and things started rolling for modeling and all. After modeling, I started getting some offers for TV commercials, small acting where it is required. Then suddenly movies happened, so I started enjoying this modeling and TV commercial. Then I thought that I should try this only, because I started once you enjoy some work, then you don't want to leave that work. So I thought that it is much better to get into acting rather than do some 9 to 5 job or something something else. Because if I wanted to do a 9 to 5 job, army would have been the best for me to continue as my job. So after serving 21 years, then suddenly this happened, and whatever happens, it's God wish. So I follow that and follow the path.
సో ఒకసారి ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ గురించి మాతో షేర్ చేసుకుంటే దట్ 21 ఇయర్స్ ఆఫ్ లాంగ్ మిలిటరీ సర్వీస్ విచ్ యూ హ్యావ్ డన్.
Oh, experiences. See, when I was there, experiences are many, because I've been to borders also. I've been in counter-insurgency operations in Kashmir and northeast of India. I was looking after the helicopters of Indian Army. So I've been all across. I've moved all across India on this in army. Amazing experience. My father was also in army, so I've born and brought up in army and went in army. So around 44 years of my life I spent in army atmosphere. So experiences, there's no words to describe life there. Yes, different kind of work culture is there, different kind of mental pressures are there. You are always under threat and all. But yes, nothing to beat army. If somebody would say next life, I would definitely join army and then again come back to industry. Because I like both of the worlds now.
సో అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఎవ్రీ డే ఒక ఛాలెంజ్ లానే ఉంటుంది అక్కడ. ఎవ్రీ డే ఇస్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ ఛాలెంజ్ వెన్ యూఆర్ ఇన్ మిలిటరీ. బట్ మీరు ఫేస్ చేసిన వాటిలో ఏదన్నా ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ ఛాలెంజ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎన్కౌంటర్డ్ ఆర్ ఎనీ బిగ్గెస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎన్కౌంటర్డ్ వెన్ యూఆర్ ఇన్ మిలిటరీ?
I don't think so any big problem is encountered in military. Yes, problems keep on coming, so you have to handle that. There's no other option, because if you don't handle it, you'll get finished. So problems are there everywhere. Challenges are there in army also. But during our training, we are taught to go head on these challenges. So I don't think so that there's some particular challenge which has affected me or was very tough or something. But yes, it has been a challenge. It is a challenging job. I think it is counted as it comes within first 110 of the most stressful jobs in the world also, military. So in that thing I would agree that there is a lot of stress, because you're always under threat, but things are good.
నైస్. సో అఖండ మూవీకి సంబంధించి మీరు స్టార్టింగ్లో మెన్షన్ చేశారు లైక్ ఫ్యాన్స్ నుంచి మెసేజెస్ ఇలా వస్తూనే ఉన్నాయి అని చెప్పి. సో మీకు వచ్చిన మెసేజెస్లో మీకు బాగా గుర్తుండిపోయిన మెసేజ్ ఏది? ద నైస్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ విచ్ యూ హ్యావ్ గాట్ రిగార్డింగ్ ద మూవీ.
Nicest compliment I have got, I think, I don't know how many thousands of messages in last 3-4 days. Followers have started following me on Instagram, on my Twitter account, and everybody is just telling that they've welcomed me in Telugu film industry with open arms and open hearts. Well, everybody, I'm thankful to them that they are welcoming me. They're considering me as their own part. They are liking my work. I am blessed that people have accepted me, my role, my acting. Best compliment, all compliments are absolutely best for me, because I never expected, I never thought that this day will come in my life, that thousands and thousands of people are appreciating my work. I never thought in my life. I'm blessed. Thank you for that. Thank you so much for that.
షూట్ జరిగేటప్పుడు ఎప్పుడైనా బాలకృష్ణ గారు ఏదైనా కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఇచ్చారా?
Bala sir, during fight scene, he was telling, "You're doing wonderful," because I was doing all the stunts myself. So very nice, very nice. He is always boosting your morale every time, every time. There was no occasion that he did not like anything. Everything was, because once he is there and he comes there in front of you, you are under so much of I would say pressure when he's standing there, that you automatically perform good. and his, I think it's his energy which transforms into you, and then you're able to perform with him. He always praised, always helped me out in everything whenever I was there with him. Everything, whatever, in the scene, outside, sitting outside, whatever, he's always there to help you.
యా. అండ్ అలానే అబౌట్ ద స్టంట్ మాస్టర్స్ వాళ్ళ గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు?
Stunt Shiva. So I was amazed to see the kind of stunts, how it is done, how easily he was making us do, and the amount of hard work. Oh, I remember one shot he used to take 5, 6 hours, and he's working from morning. Stunt masters is working from morning 5 o'clock till night 8 o'clock on the set with the cranes, with the fighters and all. Tremendous amount of energy, and that has come out so well. Oh, tremendous. He has worked so hard, Stunt Shiva. Oh, he has taught me. In fact, this movie was a school for me. Everybody is my teacher there. The DOP. Oh, amazing. Ramachandran sir. He is a gem of a person. Shiva sir, every time, Stunt Shiva, he's there standing with you how to do it. His 2 sons are there who had helped me out. Everything, how to do a somersault, every time they are there. Boyapatti sir, Bala sir, always there to help you. So this complete movie had been such a learning, and I am blessed that everybody was there and got some so big support from everybody. Thank you so much.
నైస్. ఇట్ వాజ్ అమేజింగ్ టాకింగ్ టు అండి. అండ్ ఇయర్స్ ఒక గ్రాండ్ హిట్ తోటి టాలీవుడ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యారు అఖండ మూవీ తోటి. హోప్ ఇలాంటి మంచి క్యారెక్టర్స్ మీరు ఇంకా ఎన్నో చేయాలని చెప్పి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Thank you.